Today, let's take a look at how this rich and fragrant milk tofu is made. First, workers disinfect the freshly squeezed cow's milk at high temperatures. After cooling, the milk is sent to our processing workshop. Workers pour the milk into our coagulation machine. They adjust the temperature and add the coagulating culture. Mixing it thoroughly, the milk is then left to sit for a while to naturally coagulate. At this point, the milk has coagulated into blocks, similar to tofu. However, it is not yet considered milk tofu, as it still contains a high level of moisture. Workers then completely break it up and use a straining spoon to scoop the coagulated milk into molds. After spreading it evenly, a cloth is placed over it. The molds are covered with a lid and stacked together. Pressure is applied on top to squeeze out the excess moisture. At this point, our milk tofu has formed. But to ensure better quality, the milk tofu is flipped over, covered with a wooden board, and placed back into the coagulation machine, where it soaks in green water again. After being left to set at a constant temperature for a while, it is taken out and the excess moisture is pressed out. Now, the texture of the milk tofu is more even and its taste has improved. Delicious milk tofu is now ready.